Right. Yeah. See what we do. I do see let me look at the cues right quick. I mean, yeah, we could still I can still see the blow off top all the way up to I'm all looking at 535s, 47 on the cues. Uh yeah, so let's see. I'm waiting for this crossover to happen here in a minute on the MACD to see if let's see if we can get a push back down possibly. I don't because on the 15 on the actual QQQ stock looks like we're about to hit that signal line. Um, so we probably might be able to get a reversal here. I don't know, but I'm just gonna wait for the opportunity if it presents itself. But as of right now, as of right now, it's just bullish, to the upside. I might wait till we come back to 532.39 and see if we can take it back up, but I'm not. I mean, I already made profits for today. I mean, I really don't have to you know. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Well, the problem that I'm having is well, it's really not a problem. It's just the fact that I don't like holding for so long, and because I just want to take because anything can happen at any moment. Right. Right. Let's see. Uh-huh. Right. Yep. It's 208. Right. 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 Mm-hmm. Right. Right. Hmm. Right. 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 Hmm. Right. 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 Yeah. Right. 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 Yep. Right. 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 It's 235. I'm waiting for that 2 minute to cross over so I can. I'm actually, I think once that 2 minute crosses over to the downside and I see something on the 5 or on the 3 minute and I see something on the 15, then I'll add some contracts. On this next, probably on this next push up, we probably will like, oh, what's up, Marco? My brother's on this next push up, I think we should be able to get a reversal on that one, if I'm not mistaken. I'm looking at the 15, and we had this past high, and now we can go higher, probably up here. I'm just going to load up around here. Once we go higher, then we can come back down, see what happens. Oh man, tired. Nvidia is on a downtrend right now. No, no, no. I'm talking about in a shorter time frame. I see the downside on that one. So we'll get a little small push up on the Qs to higher highs, and then get a reversal on that high. So I'm just gonna stack up here in a minute. Yeah, even the 2 hour is already overbought. The 1 hour is already overbought, overextended. Yeah, daily on the daily is already overextended as well. Yeah, daily is already overextended, like way beyond overextended. Right. It's 243. Ah, and it's almost that time to take a nap. Yep, nice. Right. Right. You can get a little a little small push up and get a new high, but then retrace back. Yep, right, right. Nah, it went right through. I'm gonna yeah, it busted through. I'm gonna add some on the next. I'm gonna add some contracts on the next reversal that I see. I'm gonna start buying at 135 whenever Nvidia reaches 135.77. I'll start buying. It's at 135.46. Right. I'm not paying attention. I need to pay attention more to that 15. We're getting sellers here. We're getting a lot of sellers pushing. Right. Right. Yep. Right. Right. Mm-hmm. Right. 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 I'm gonna see what happens here at the see, I'm looking at the 3 and the 1 and the 10, and as far as as far as I'm looking at right now with the technicals, I see a lot of overbought conditions right now. Um, right, right. Yep, yep, yep. You're right, right. Yeah, we're getting a lot of sellers here. Let's see, let's look at it. We're having 78, 78. We had a one bid. The volume is 79. Let's see who's on the downside. Mm, right, 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 right. Yeah, he was telling me about that um whenever y'all got back from Vegas or wherever what what was it that y'all attended? Y'all attended Sam? What did y'all attend? What was it called that y'all attended? I got you. Yeah, he told me about it. He said that they used them, but I'm not, he didn't really say nothing else about it, about Elliott waves. Yeah, and since you're talking about it continuously, it's Kevin Green. Was Kevin Green there? Oh, okay. Right. Yeah, he's stuck in his own world. I mean, well, I kind of feel like he's how would you say it? He's more uptight with this stuff because he knows people, you know, and he always wants to be right. So videos at 135.23. And if you're looking at the 15-minute on the MACD, they already crossed over. So what I'm seeing is possibly going back up to 136.14 and then getting a reversal from there, or possibly go up to 137.38 and then come back down. I don't know on Nvidia. I see a level on Nvidia at 133.40, and I see another level at 132.52, 131.18, but that's just pushing it, to the downside. So, have you seen Tesla? It was up like $20 earlier. Yep. I see from Tesla right now, I see an upside. I mean, all the way up to 437.57, 447.73. I mean, it's already, you know, um, what is it? Oversold conditions right now. Like on the weekly, on the daily. Um, so I think for those guys who actually want to go long term, I think they should, this is a good place to buy here. Yeah, right, right. We're about to hit the previous highs here. We're really close. The On the weekly, the last high was 538.28, and I have an alarm set right there. Right, right. Yeah, this is NQ. No, not NQ, MNQ. Yeah, it's already out of the way. It's already at 535 0 535 2. So I'm just gonna I mean on the 5 minute, the sarcastic has just been at 80 the entire time now. Or not the entire time, but do what? Now I'm gonna wait for the next pullback and then I'm gonna get into some more contracts because right now I have two. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention to that 15. I should have, but I mean it is what it is. Right, let's see where Nvidia's at because I need to. So once Nvidia reaches up to 136.17, I'm gonna get into more contracts on futures. Right. Yeah, the stochastics on the 5 minute has just been since I think since it's been steady on since 2 o'clock. It's just been over that overbought. Well, which Elliott waves are you following? Like as it moves, is it on a certain time frame or all time frames? Right. 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 I don't know nothing about Novo. Sorry, bud. No, I'm streaming right now. I was just trying to I don't know nothing about Novo. Eric, you know anything about Novo? Yeah. Yep. Okay. Yeah, I'm on a live stream right now. Yeah, yeah. I think he's in a chat right now. He's just asking opinions on Novo. I have no clue of stocks or anything. I don't follow any kind of, news or anything. I just do futures and I trade the technicals and that's it. But give me one moment. Yeah, we have no clue on Novo. Yeah, I'm sorry. We only have, it's mainly the Mag 7s and that's usually what we trade or what yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I only do futures and I do the technicals on them and that's it, guys. I don't do news or anything like that. I don't get into all that. Um, but yeah. Anyways, yeah, so I'm looking at Nvidia right now and it looks like from what I'm seeing on the 15-minute, especially on the MACD, I mean, we're gonna probably touch that signal line. I don't know if it crosses over, but we're all already at that overbought condition. So I'm just gonna see what happens with if I see the stochastics cross over on that, then I'm just gonna jump in on some more contracts on this because I'm already down 172, but that's okay. I mean, I already know you know, how much I can lose and it's not, you know, I'm already up for the day anyways. It's all right. It's just that I need to like stop getting in. Like whenever I'm already made it, like I broke my rule already and I got in because I thought because it's overbought conditions already and I was looking at the technicals and then just like you said, it could stay up, for a couple of days and just fake you out every single time. So, that's one of the things that I gotta. Yeah, that's one of the things that I really don't like trading is whenever you get to like, new highs and then people just don't know where it's going to go and it's just you know, oh, I've seen it last year. I've seen it on Nvidia last year. Well, not the Elliott wave, but I've seen what it can do, and the technicals can just be out of whack. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold this overnight. So Ninja Trader, what they do is you gotta have enough margin, whatever, to hold it overnight, or you have to cut all your contracts by 4:45 and then re-enter after at 5 o'clock. Um, so that way they don't charge you a fee for, you know. Yeah, right now I'm looking at Qs and I see a level at 533.27. Hopefully we can get that. Yeah, it's only 317. Yeah, and I'm looking at that 30 too. I'm looking at that 30 and it's right. Oh, where was I going with this? I don't know why it looks like this, but why does it look like that? Where's Nvidia at? Nvidia's getting close to that. 135.68. Yeah, I'm gonna jump in at 135.68. I mean 135.73, sorry. That's where I'm gonna jump in. I'm gonna go heavy. I'm gonna go heavy at yeah, 1 120 130 135.77. I'll go in heavy. That way I can recover some of these losses if it does a reverse. or if the MACD on the 1 minute signal goes below 0 and goes to negative 0.12. If it goes below negative 0.12, then I'm all in to the shorts. So we do have an area down here where I'm seeing there's a lot of sellers over here that got caught down to 21,937.50. So these guys got caught in the crossfire. Let's see what happens. Thanks for the follow. Yeah, Nvidia has a wick all the way down to that 133.47. And looking at the looking at the 1 hour, uh if the MACD touches that signal line, then the signal line would be at 131.62 where it would touch. Actually, no, it's not. It'll be at 132.76 where it would touch the signal line if Nvidia did go down. I'm just waiting on that Nvidia. I'm just waiting on Nvidia to pop back up a little bit so that way I can enter strong. It's already 323. Yeah, I'm not going to add no more contracts until after. If it's 445, I'm going to hold off on these contracts. I'm going to hold them overnight and or after the market closes, I'm going to hold them and see what happens after hours. And then I'll try to see if I can get out. Right. Right. Let's look at the 3 minute and see what's going on here. So let's see what happens at this I'm gonna see, I think this 50. We're pushing down. All right, so on the 1 minute, the MACD is about to hit that 12. Actually, it did. All right, I'm getting in. As soon as we get a little bounce back up, I'm going in. Right. 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 Mm-hmm. Right. 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 Ugh. Right, right, right. Hey, they deposited my money. Yep, that's right. They deposited my money. ACH 1500. Let's go. Huh? I already did. Yep. Yeah. I'm up $728 on the Top Step account. On my real account, I'm down 160, but I'm up 327, but that's okay. Yeah, man. See, the thing about prop firms is like they're so strict, and it takes you really have to know what you're doing in order to get like in order to be like profitable, you have to be doing it consistently. And yeah, but as soon as this goes in the green, I'm getting out. This is a Top Step account. This one is a live account. But yeah, I think we'll hit back here, reverse, hit right here and reverse back. But yeah, they deposited my money. So hold on, let me see. I got the email that Top Step gave me. I wish they gave me like some kind of like certification or something that tells me that I got my payout, but I only got an email from them. It says the email says congratulations, congratulations on your success in taking a payout. We removed the requested profits from your account and have started processing your payout. And then, well, this was yesterday though. So I mean, see that, guys? Hold on, I don't know if I can show you. Nope, can't show it. Sorry. Yeah. I'm just going to keep requesting $1,500. I'm just going to grow the account because eventually they do put you on a live account. And yeah, so I guess whatever you don't take out, that'll be like your whole what you can use. And it's time to pay some bills, man. Time to how would I say it? Um, time to get things paid off. That's right. All right, so the MACDs on the 1 minute is on the lower end. As long as we don't go over on the positive side on the MACD, then we are fine to go keep coming down. But I mean, it's just a little small drop. Really, we already touched the 15. We touched the 15 EMA. So just as it's 336. So we can come back up here, retest this area right here, and then come back down. Right. I'm only down $50, 56 on this one, but this is the live account, so No, no, it reversed already, and it hit at the spot where I marked it from that my alarm. It hit the alarm that I had on at 5:35:40. Well, it hit the alarm at 5:35:25, but it went up to 5:35:43, and then it reversed. So as long as the MACD is below the negative side, then I'm comfortable in staying in this trade for now. I mean, I don't think well, I got to get out of Top Step because they actually terminate your positions at a certain time. So I really need to get out of these, even if I'm down just a little bit. At least I recovered the majority of what I've right, right, yep, that's right, right. It ain't easy. Right, yep, right, right, yeah. And I try to do that with Apex, and I was already up $20,000, and they hit me with a I made more than 50% of my or something like that, and they I don't know. Oh yeah, Right. Right. Yeah. I think with my main account, I'm gonna have to once I get everything all paid off and stuff, I'm gonna have to I'm gonna take it to at least like 20K. And then, I mean, once I'm comfortable with paying, once I'm already done paying everything, I don't have no obligations anymore. I'm gonna like take it to 20, and then I'm gonna lever in with like, half the pot on certain areas and certain setups. Um, right. 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 Yeah, it's going back up now. I'm not going to get out of my positions yet. I'm going to wait until if it does reach right here, I'll probably add one more, but it's 33.45, and that's just taking it. There we go. All right. Right. We don't get a drop now, or I'm going to hold these over after hours and see what happens. And once I start getting in the green, if I think what I'm seeing what's going to happen, I'm gonna hold these positions after hours for a bit. Otherwise, if I don't, then I'm gonna start closing them if we get a huge jump to the upside or anything massive, really. But right now, the way I'm looking at it right now, I'm seeing a downside for some reason. Everything is flipping over now. Yep, right. Well, I'm seeing right now what I'm seeing is 534.46s, and yeah, Right. Right. Oop. Right. Anyways, I need to get out of the Top Step trade, or yeah, the Top Step account. I need to get out before 4:10, I believe. And for this live account, yeah, for my live account, I'm just going to leave it after hours and see what happens after the close at 4 at 4. Right. 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 The sarcastics on the 15-minute is just flat on the top. Oh yeah, definitely. All right, we're getting sellers here. Let's see what happens. I'm about to start getting out of my Top Step contracts because that's yeah. Let's see. Right. Yeah, it's coming back up. Let's no, that's not nothing big, but it is. They're probably just gonna hold it here. They're just yeah, they're just gonna burn people out here, possibly. Right, right. Gee, those 15-minute sarcastics are just flat at the top. They are flat. I just on the first pullback it hit that 50 on the 15-minute. Let's see what happens. Like I mean, I want to see that since the sarcastics is flat on the 15-minute, I want to see it come back down. That's yeah. I think we might get a push back up. Yeah. What's pushing it up again? Oh yeah. Yep, there it is. It just pushed back up. New highs. It's all right. I'm just gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold this position after hours. That's all right. I know my I know my limit. Yeah. But what's pushing it up though? That's oh Meta. Look at Meta. Meta, Google. Right. MNQs. Yeah, I'm gonna hold this after hours. I'm gonna hold it on the live account. I'm gonna hold it after hours. I know what I can lose, and it's all right now. It's nothing major. Right. Four 56. I mean, it's 356 right now. It just hit that signal line on the 3 minute. So it's Meta. Meta's keeping it up. and Google. It's Meta and Google. Or Google, really. Look at Google. Holy shit. Google's going to reach up to that level at 187.12. Wow. Right. That was an hour ago. Yeah, I'm going to hold mine until after hours. I mean, it's really not that high up from where I'm, well, yeah, kind of, but it's all right. It kind of is. It kind of is. Yeah, I'm going to hold it after hours. I mean, I see a downside to this on the 15. Yeah, I see a downside to this. See what happens here. Let's see if the last, oh, it's already 4. It's already 4. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold this. Yeah. I should be adding more positions to this, but I can't because they charge you at 445. They they charge you a fee for there it is. It is. Yeah, I was in the Top Step account. I was pretty heavy. I was up about $700. And I closed out of some contracts as soon as, it went 50% of, the last few contracts that I attached to. And now I'm at 527. So I'm just down $200. Well, not really down. I'm in profits, but I'm gonna try to get back those 200. I'm at 590, so I'm gonna try to get back to 700 and then just close out of those positions and then I'll be done with Top Step. And then with my this live account, I'm gonna take it back to the green. Hopefully we can get to this downside and see what happens from there because I'm looking at 534.35 is what I'm looking at for after hours coming back down. 534.35. So I'm definitely going to stick to this for a bit. I need to go ahead and start getting out of this one. My top step. I mean, I'm at 575. That's all right. You know what? I'm good with that. I'm good with 575. I'm good with 575. That's okay. I don't care. I'm green for today. That's all that matters. Yeah. I'm 585. That's all right. I mean, I can let one or two contract. Well, no, because it's 402, and I think they close my position out at 410, I believe, if I still have some open. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait, see if we can get another little drop, which looking at the sarcastics, I do see. Oh shit, I gotta hide my indicator. Looking at the sarcastics, I do see right. All right. Once I hit 600, I'm gonna get out of all my positions on this account. If we do. If not, if we keep riding up a little bit, then I'm gonna start getting out slowly, surely but slowly. No, on Top Step you have to do it for 5 days. On my real account, I can do it every day, which I've been doing. I've been just taking out 300 every day. No, it's 50%. 50%. Yeah, it can't be no more than 50% actually. All right, so let's see. Right. I mean, I'm gonna take it up to 8,000 and then take 1,500 and just do it like that and take it back up to 8,000. All right, I'm at 600. One more contract. I need to just drop just a little bit more and I should be out. 600, 601, 603. Good stuff, guys. And this one, I want to take it back all the way down here. I'm gonna, I'm gonna hold this one. Well, I mean, I can. You know what? I think I'm good with 300. 311. I'm good. You know what? I think I'm good with 300. I don't care. I just need to get out. I just need to get out. Right. Right. That's my goal every day is 300, guys. So that's it. 314, guys. 3 318. 318.40, guys. That's it. Good stuff. I mean, I was up $486, but I got in. This was a bad time with what's ever going on with the technicals and everything. It's been up major of the day and just crazy pull ups, and it's just whenever stuff like that happens. I mean, it's horrible. The technicals just suck. You really can't just go by them. So whenever I guess whenever it's crazy in the technicals, just switch to Elliott waves. Right. 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 All right, guys. Give me 1 second, Eric. Give me 1 second. All right, guys. I'm gonna get off for today. That's it. Let's see. So y'all could, as y'all can see, I'm up 318 for today at this corner right here. I will be on tomorrow morning, 9:30. Actually, I'll be on probably at 9:15. Um, so I will see y'all tomorrow, guys. Thanks for tuning in.